Hello everyone. Today our topic is plasma arc machining. We will discuss about its principle and working. In previous video we have discussed about the diagram and its specification. So when a gas is heated up above 5800 degrees centigrade, it becomes partially ionized and exists in the form of free electrons, positively charged ions and neutral atoms, positively charged and negative charge atoms, and initiate this occurs the initiation of plasma. Plasma work as a channel of conduction of electricity. So the temperature of plasma is very high, ranging from 1100 degrees centigrade to 2500 degrees centigrade. So its principle is, in this material remover process, material is removed by directing the high velocity jet of plasma on workpiece. And its working is, it consists of plasma gun when gases such as argon, helium, neon is made to pass through a small chamber in which high frequency arc is maintained between the tungsten electrode and copper nozzle. Plasma is generated because of ionization of gases. This results in large amount of heat liberation. This high velocity ionized gas plasma is directed onto the workpiece to melt and vaporize. Hence with the thrust the material blow away. Its parameters is, we will set up the voltage up to 200 to 400 volt and current 150 to 1000. Gas flow rate is 2 to 11 meter cube per minute.